In this way, a 40mm attached beam needs to be placed on the rack. This design can help the wire rope or straps back smoothly after use, and will not become entangled in the steel plate or other structures. In the specific operation, the steel wire rope or strap is fixed on the steel plate, and then the plates are lifted. Crane plus lifting chain with hooks is a common and effective way of handling. In this way, we need to pay attention to the design of the drawers. The two ends of the rack should be wide. The middle should be narrow. The advantage of this design is that the lifting chain with hooks can be easily pulled back after the steel plates are placed, avoiding the lifting chain with hooks stuck between the plates, increasing the convenience and safety of operation. We can use forklifts for storage and moving. At this time, an 80mm attached beam needs to be set up when designing the rack to facilitate the movement of the forklift after storage. Popular for its clean storage capabilities, vertical sheet metal effortlessly accommodates surplus materials, including oddly shaped sheet metal remnants, ensuring a tidy and well-organized workspace. At this point, it's very easy to access them with our hooks.